English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Anyway, first of all, you cannot make much of planned load factor. What is planned load factor? I would request the minister not to mystify this planned load factor. It is availability factor plus utilization factor. The minister says that we have a peaking shortage of 19 or 20%. Our energy shortage is 9 to 10%. The energy shortage is not always even. There are time spans in the day when even in this power starved phase we will have surplus power. During those hours, Mr. Solver and his friend in the status last time I used some other words and he took objection to that, would be obliged to take power from those foreign plants and back down the plants of the state electricity boards and maybe the National Thermal Power Corporation stations. To it is admitted on all hands that the power generated by our stations is much cheaper. The plant which produce cheaper power will be backed down in favor of foreign farms. Plant which provide power to us at a much higher cost. I would like to move on to another point. The Enron project is gas based all over the world. The gas based plants are used for peaking purpose. Thermal, hydel, and nuclear power stations are used for base load purposes. Hydel when it is irrigation controller in hydel again. There are two types. I don't think we should engage in a lecture on elementary things. I was referring to irrigation controlled hydel projects. Alright, let us take only thermal and nuclear power stations. They are used all over the world for base load a purpose and gas based plants are used for peak hours. Now under your policy the gas based plants will be working round the clock. The thermal power station of the state electricity board and the NTPC will be backed down during off-peak periods. Is this the way of going about our job? Why does Dr. Manmohan Singh keep silent on this? Dr. Manmohan Singh is supposed to believe in competitive economic philosophy. Did he object to this generated return of 16%? Where is free market in this now? What about the cost of this plan? I know the standard answer of our minister. He will say that the cost of all those plants are being added by the Control Electricity Authority.